Hi, my name is Jeff Ellis, and I'm speaking on carbon-based materials and joining them to polymers or metals. So there's a lot of dissimilar materials that are good for lightweighting in the aerospace and automotive industries. What I'm going to be talking about is direct joining between these materials so we can remove those tertiary materials, we can save weight, and we can make manufacturing easier that way. In manufacturing, getting rid of nuts and bolts or adhesives makes the supply chain easier. It makes the manufacturing less steps. It makes it less cost. It makes it more efficient and, frankly, easier, cheaper to get your product out the door. Common misconceptions might be that the materials that I'm talking about can't be directly joined. So carbon-based materials like carbon nanotubes to metals are difficult, but if we have the right tie layer in between there, we can get them to share electrons. We can make carbide bonds, and we can make very strong bonds that allow for strong joints with low electrical resistivity. So we can also have electrical applications for these types of joints.